Have you ever wondered how every single one of us began? The story of life starts long before a baby bump or first heartbeat. It begins with an epic journey, one tiny sperm facing impossible odds to unite with an egg and spark the beginning of a new human being. When fertilization begins, around 300 million sperm enter the body during intercourse. But almost immediately, millions are lost, some flow back out, while others can't survive the natural acidic environment of the vagina. Yet, many manage to continue, helped by protective elements in the surrounding fluid. The next hurdle is the cervix, a gateway that usually stays closed tight. But during ovulation, it opens slightly, and the cervical mucus thins, creating just enough space for sperm to pass through. Even so, millions get trapped or die on the way. Some remain tucked in the folds of the cervix, waiting as a backup. For those that make it inside the uterus, the journey only gets harder. Contractions of the uterine muscles help push them along, but the woman's own immune system mistakes the sperm for invaders and destroys thousands more. Half go the wrong direction, heading toward an empty fallopian tube. Only a few thousand reach the one tube holding the egg. Inside the fallopian tube, things get even trickier. Tiny hair-like structures, called cilia, sweep the egg toward the uterus. The sperm must swim against this current to reach it, and many get trapped and never make it. But the surviving sperm undergo an amazing transformation. Their heads change, their swimming speeds up, and they become hyperactive, laser-focused on the egg. At last, after this marathon journey, only a few dozen of the original millions finally surround the egg. The egg itself is protected by two barriers. First, a soft layer of cells called the corona radiata. Then a tougher shield known as the zona pellucida. The sperm release powerful enzymes, chipping away at these defenses, each one getting closer to the center. And then it happens. A single sperm makes it through. The membranes of the sperm and egg fuse together, and in that instant, the egg sends out signals to lock the door behind it. No other sperm can enter. The outer shell hardens, and the rest are left outside. Inside, the sperm's genetic material unpacks and forms the male pronucleus. The egg completes its own process, creating the female pronucleus. Each contains 23 chromosomes. Slowly, they move toward each other, guided by delicate threads. When they meet, the chromosomes combine, two sets becoming one. A completely new genetic code is written in that exact moment, setting the stage for eye color, hair texture, and countless other traits. This single cell is called a zygote, the very first cell of a new human life. From here, the zygote begins dividing, growing, and traveling down the fallopian tube. Within days, it will arrive in the uterus, where it settles into the nutrient-rich lining to begin the incredible 9-month journey we call pregnancy. And that is how every story begins, against staggering odds, with a single cell that carries the blueprint of a brand new person. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll always catch the next video.